Hi everyone, right, I'm in our Knowsley showroom. We get constantly asked on our social media about how to set up your fire, how to dress your fire. So what I thought I'd do, I went around our showroom to see some of our setups, and they're not right, they're not perfect, and we want to get them perfect. So what I'm going to do, for example, spin this around. So this is the Lazio suite. Now the Lazio suite on the bottom has got burning embers, but it doesn't look like burning embers because too many of them have been put in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some out, and we want to get this looking as realistic as possible. So let me set the camera up. I'm going to show you how easy it is to take the front pane of glass out on the Lazio 700 suite, which is held in by 2 screws, and then I'm going to show you, hopefully a little bit clearer, of how to get that the most realistic look as you're going to get with an electric fire. 2 screws holding this glass. There's 1 screw. When the final screw comes out, make sure the glass doesn't come with it. So this is toughened glass. Bring the glass towards yourself, and that will just lift out. And then I'm going to put that to the side safely where it's not going to be knocked. Then let's take our lugs out. Try and remember how I've placed all these so I don't wind myself up trying to set it all up. So that's currently got at the moment the HD logs in there. So that's it. Let's take a load of this out. What I'm going to do, another 2 big handfuls taken out. Let's get a bit more. Because you get a huge bag of the burning embers, people think that you've got to put the full lot in there. You don't have to at all. It's going to be overkill. You want this looking as realistic as possible, so let's get that. Show lots of the yellow light coming through, and trust me, you're going to think that you're going to need to use quite a lot of this. You don't. Think back to bonfire nights, and you can see those red embers coming through the bottom of the fire. That's what we want. That's exactly what we want to replicate on this fire. So, well, I think that's about it. So let's go back there. Let's get these logs building up. So we're building them up like an actual campfire. We want to get the most realistic look going. I'm going to give these a little, let's get our glass back in. Let's just move that. Right, let's get our glass back in there. So the glass will sit back in the little groove. Let's get our 2 screws back in there. Right, 2 screws back in there. I'm going to give this a little wipe down, then we'll get some pictures and I'll show you well, the difference that it now makes. And there it is, by taking a load of the burning embers out. Look how realistic that fire looks now. Let's spin it around. Let's take our center spotlights out. With that Lumin technology, that looks absolutely stunning.